Hey, Walter, you got a brand new printer. Man, this is some sophisticated shit. What the fuck? What's up, legends? I am the Living Legend Roads here, and welcome back to another range day. Today, we got some deadly printers. We got 4 Decepticon printers here, and get the fuck out of here. Well, we got all 4 here, and today we're gonna see what rounds can go through every single one of them. We got all the way up from 22 going up to 300 Win Mag, and then we're just gonna destroy them after we do our test. So it's gonna be a fun one today, so stick around and we'll get to it. All right, guys, so just so you guys are aware, pretty much every single one of these have these nice, real thick ink cartridges in them. So I'm pretty confident that they're gonna be good at stopping bullets, but we're gonna see. Like always, we're starting out with some nice 22. We're gonna be shooting out of this Ruger 1022, like always. So guys, looks like we hit right here with that 22. Went straight through that plastic, came in, hit right here, and then busted all this up, this rubber on here. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it looks like we hit right here. Yeah, you can see the lead in there, that jacket of the 22. So yeah, it looks like that 22 got stopped immediately. I think I'm gonna turn this thing sideways and I'm gonna slap it with a few more rounds. Oh yeah, that's a bullet right there. She's warm. Wow. Yep, we really slapped her that time, guys. We had pretty much 4 shots right together here. Another one to the top, or the right side there. And we had another one right here on top. This one on top came through, zinged all the way through. Came through, I think, the electronics. Ooh, actually. Yeah, we went through this one. Went right into this motherboard here. Slapped this up in there. So, hell yeah. Let's do the 9 next. All right, guys. Next, we got some 115 grain Blazer 9mm. Shooting out of my Hellcat Pro, like always. One more. I put 3 rounds right in the side of her here. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Did we go through? We did not. I think this first printer stopped her here. Next, we got some 135 grain Federal 38 Special. We're shooting at my 1873 single action Cattleman. All right, guys, looks like we hit right here, right next to those 22s there. You can actually kind of see the internals in there. Smashing that motherboard up. See if we went through this one. Nope, still cleaning that back side there. Well, I think we're gonna have a hard time with these until the rifle rounds. We might not even need 4. All right, guys, next we got some hollow point 357. We're shooting out of my nice single action. Took that shot with the 357. We hit right above the 22s again. Punched straight through there. Probably wrecking up these internals inside here. Let's see. Should go through. Oh shit! Holy man! There's that bullet right there. Ow, that's warm. all the jacketing right there went straight through. Actually, it just went straight through. Here's the lead right here, the lead core. All right, guys. Next, we're loaded up with some 180 grain Federal 40 Smith & Wesson. We're shooting out of the Springfield XD40. So guys, looks like we just really like this area right here. We hit right on top of the 22 holes with that 40. We hit there and hit right here. So we got 2 hits on her. Man, she's punching straight through. Let's see what she went through here. Nope. She stopped it again. Well, if you got a Samsung printer around you, at least you know you can use it as body armor. All right, let's keep going. All right, guys, now we're loaded up with some 3-inch, 12 gauge, 1 ounce slugs. And these are Federal. Got 3 of them. Hit the right side there. Oh, man. Let's hit bottom right. Oh, never mind, I'm gonna hit right in the middle. Woo! Man, we put the hurt on with them 12 gauge slugs right there. We hit all 3 right here. Pretty nice grouping. Jesus Christ, come get a shot of that. Look at them internals getting tore right up. All right, let's take a look at the back side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Yeah, it's them slugs really tore her up. Looks like we just slapped on that second one. I don't think we would have went through the backside. No, we didn't. Yeah. Now we're doing some damage to her. Man, oh man. Well, I think this first Decepticon's probably dead by now. All right, guys, we're loaded up with some 65 grain green tip 5.56. We're shooting out of my nice AR-15. That punched straight through, I think. Guys, we hit both shots right here, pretty close together, and I'm pretty sure we zipped right through. Yeah, that was our side that we blew in with the 12 gauge there. And let's see here. Yeah, we got a couple more holes right here. So went through that one. And then nothing new on the back side here. All right, let's keep going. Let's punch Gigatron a little bit more. Hell yeah! Take that, fucker! Well, guys, looks like Gigatron's actually a girl. Jesus fucking Christ. Yeah, you could say we ripped that one up pretty good. Let's keep going. All right, guys, next we got some 150 grain full metal jacket 300 blackout, and we're shooting out of the CBC AR-15. Oh yeah, we're ripping her up. Let's keep going. All right, guys, now we got some 100 grain 243 Federal. We're shooting out of my nice Maverick 243. I'm gonna put 4 into her. Calm down on the zoomage there. put all 4 right here, this nice group. It's about 3 inches, I think. Oh yeah, all 3 of them blasted right through there. Kept on going too. Yep. Blew right into Papatron there. Did we go through? Yeah. These weren't here. That 243 went all the way through, kept going. I think, yeah, we got some brand new holes right here. Holy man. Looks like the 3rd one stopped her though. All right, guys, next we got 150 grain polymer tip Federal 308. Shoot out of this nice Savage 308. Zero recoil. Smoking again. I'm gonna hit dead center. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm out. Okay, so we hit here, and I think we hit right here with those 308s ripped into her. Oh yeah. Yeah. Jesus. I don't even know what to say anymore. We're just fucking absolutely decimating this. Jesus Christ. Yep, like expected. 308 ripped straight through the first one. Excuse me. Fuck off. Yep. Just kept going. Punched her nice and hard. That first one actually, it ripped through right here. I wasn't there. I punched right through. And I think it just came in. Looks like it came in right in the same hole there. Yeah, I think it stopped in the 3rd one there. All right, guys. Now we got 180 grain Federal 30-06. We're shooting out my nice Savage 110 30-06. I'll punch it with 4. Ooh. Woo! God damn. This fucking reeks. We're blowing it apart though. Looks like we hit in this generalized area. I think we, oh yeah, that 30-06, she blew right through. That wasn't there, and that wasn't there, I don't think. Yeah, she's, man, fuck off. Yeah, we're putting the hurt to these things. Got some springs there, some metal. Let's see. Yep. Just kept going. Punched all this out. That wasn't there. Going into the 3rd, here and here. And it looks like we might have stopped in the 3rd there. All right. Last caliber left. 300 Win Mag. Let's see if it can. All right, guys. Next. And finally, we got the 300 Win Mag. This is 180 grain Federals, and we're gonna slap it with 3 of them. Christ. It looks like we slapped it right here with one of them. And we must have just hit right in this generalized area for the others. God damn. Fucking A. Oh yeah, now you can see the internals in there. Look at all this copper wiring in there. Holy man. You know what? Looks like we punched here. I'm not even sure. Definitely went through the back side there though. Had to have gone through there. Came into this one. Punched straight through it here. Then we tore this all up in here. Yeah, definitely tore it up. I can actually see all the way through there now. It looks like, yep, right here. The 300 went in there, and I think it stopped inside here. So 300 went all the way into the fourth, and then it stopped in the fourth. So, wow. That's a lot of power. Oh, that's a lot of damage. And just remember, nothing speaks louder than gunpowder. Alright guys, as you can see, we just blew up all those printers. Wow, it really sent some of these. Oh no. Poor Walter. He's no more. Oh, yeah, he is. Here he is. You alright, little buddy? Well, little buddy? You got a few nicks on you. Now you're dead. Thank you guys for watching. That was a really fun one to shoot. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like and subscribe the video and share. And I'll see you guys on the next range day.